Hi everyone, welcome to Buzz Crimson. My name is Shakib. So I'm going to do a challenge. By the end of this challenge, if I'm successful, I'm going to own this Apple call, and it should have cost me nothing to own it. Okay, that's the whole goal. End up with this Apple call for free. It's a baby leap. It's got about 7 to 8 months left. So we're going to own this Apple call for free. Okay, if that sounds interesting, sit tight. It's going to be a lot of fun. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Buzz Crimson. This is what we do: personal finance, investing, option trading. So if that's your stuff, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, okay? So let's get started. All right, so how do I do this challenge? I picked a strategy. It's called Poor Man's Covered Call, which is very similar to covered call, but you need significantly less amount of capital, okay? So this is how I got started. I'm about 30% through with this challenge. So let me take you through how I got started. So first thing first, I purchased this Apple option, the one that is our goal, right? I purchased this option. At the time, it cost me $1,528. Okay, so that's my cost basis. If I'm successful with this challenge, I should get my money back, and it should have cost me $0. Okay, so let's get that on paper. 1528. I have it here, my cost basis. Now, if you're familiar with covered calls, you need to own 100 shares, but I'm doing poor man's covered call. So instead of 100 shares, I have one call. So what I have been doing is I have been using that as collateral and selling calls nonstop. And I'm just opening and closing them to collect premium, which will essentially give me my money back. If I'm successful, I probably have to do it maybe 20, 30 times, but it's a very no effort thing. For me, just because I want to keep it very safe, I'm selling calls, and then when its price declines by maybe 20 to 30%, I'm just closing my position and then selling it again. Okay, the reason why I'm doing it is because I don't really want to spend too much time on this. So whenever I see that there's a little bit of premium collected, I just close my position. So let me show you my Apple option trading history so you can see what I've been doing. If you look, I have been selling calls and then, by an opening position and closing them all the time over the last couple of months. And it takes me, I just go in, and as long as it's in the money, I just close my position. Okay. To show you how many trades I've done, look at this. So first, I bought the option for $1,528, and then I've been using that as collateral to sell calls all day. I opened, and this is the first time I sold call using my long call as collateral. I collected $110 premium. When I saw that this call I sold declined in price, I closed my position. I bought it back at $79. So plus and minus, I collected some net. I did it over and over, and it hasn't even been a month. I recovered 32.33%, almost $494. I already got it back, and it hasn't even been a month. So at this rate, I think maybe 2 to 3 more months, I should have all my money back, all $1,528. So that is the challenge. I think it'll be a lot of fun and very low maintenance. The only thing I need to do is keep an eye on Apple stock price and see what's going on. Essentially avoid selling calls around earnings dates, because it's a very turbulent year because of all the Biden noises and corrections. So aside from that, I think it'll be a very easy challenge. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Leave it in the comment section. And if you have any questions on how to get started and whatnot, let me know. I will try my best to explain this to you, maybe in another video or something. But that is it. If you liked the video, don't forget to smash the like button, okay? That really helps out with the YouTube algorithm, okay? So that is all. Thank you for watching.